Hi Soulpreneurs, I'm Joy and I'm an online marketing and online course expert and the founder of Soul Guide Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website inside of Soul Guide Media. The best way to learn this is just by doing it and just to get started. But in this video, I will just give you like a quick tutorial on what you can do. So first you go to sites. And then we have funnels, website, and stores. So funnels is more for landing pages. Websites is more for, like a regular website. And we also have stores for web shops. So we will go to sites for now. And we're going to create a new website from a template. So we have many templates you can choose from. For example, business and coaching, wellness and health. We're going to choose this one for now. Continue. So I will show you how it looks. So we have a home page, we have a link in bio page for your social media. We have a contact us page, a calendar, a thank you, and a purpose page. I think is really focused on the mission and on the services, I guess. So let's first go to the home page. So as you see, everything is already structured and you can customize everything. So every time you click on an element, then on the right side, you can edit it. So this is a background and maybe you don't like this background. So yeah, you can maybe change another picture or you can erase this picture and just give it a color. Well, it's a bit extreme. Yeah, maybe you want to have only a white background. And I really like purple. Yeah, okay. And you can also make it bounce if you go to animations. So this one, yeah. And I also want to have this flipped, yeah. Okay, this also needs to be purple. Okay, save. And this is also really cool. So there's like an SEO tool. And I recommend to fill everything. So in my case, it's gonna be Soul Guide Media, Online Course Creation, Course Creation for Soulpreneurs. Okay, put some keywords, course creation, online marketing, author Joy, social image. So this is what you see on Google. So I also recommend maybe to put a logo here, maybe language. Okay. What you can do too is add a pop-up. So this one is for a free ebook and I created a form before for a free ebook. So you will select this. So if you want to create a form, you have to do it outside of websites. So I will show you. So if you go back, then you have forms and then builder. So here you can create your forms and then you can add the forms later to your website. And if you want to add some extra elements, you can just go to plus. And then there are also pre-built sections and elements. You can just see, whatever you need. Okay, so what is also really important is that mobile version, like 90% will look on mobile version. So that is the most important one. So what you can do, if it doesn't look nice on mobile, I always duplicate the sections on desktop. So for example, this one we're gonna duplicate it. And then, for example, the first one is for only mobile version. So we just go to advanced and then we just deselect this. And this is only for desktop version. So now if I edit everything here, it doesn't change here. So we can just edit it separate because mobile version, sometimes it doesn't look really nice, but on desktop version, maybe it looks really nice. So you can check that out. And this is actually how it works. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. And you can also see, for example, the fonts, the colors, background, pop-up, of course. And yeah, let's build something from scratch to show you. So let's build another section. So full width. And I want to have 2 columns. Okay. I want to have a picture here. And I want to have text here. Hello, I'm Joy. And then let's see. Okay, let's pretend this is me. Okay. So yeah, this is how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.